Okay, folks, Crawford County Public Defender's Office, 479-471-3270. Let's see how much representation I get before court since it's been over a year and all the recordings I have with the Public Defender's Office. Pretty much a line of bullshit to try and feed me into playing their little frickin' game because of a stupid judge. Well, a bunch of stupid judges, actually. It's called freedom of speech. Don't give a damn if they like it. Get them cats out of here, please.
Public Defender's Office. All of our lines are currently busy. Please try your call again later.
Wow. Government goes straight to frickin' detail and crap.
Crawford County Defender's Office. All of our lines are currently busy. Please try your call again later.
Okay, go take them to mama.
To repeat the announcement. County Public Defender's Office. All of our lines are currently busy. Please try your call again later. Crawford County Public Defender's Office. All of our lines are currently busy. Please try your call again later.
Hello? Why, you stupid bitch, you just hung up on me. Boy, you're about as smart as a brick.
Public Defender's Office.
Yeah. Who am I speaking with?
This is Amanda.
Hey, Amanda, is, Ryan Norris in?
No, he's in court.
Is he going to be available tomorrow?
I don't know. Let me see. Did you have an appointment with him?
No, I guess I can go ahead and set one up with you now because Judge O'Hearn went and moved the date up on my court proceeding, which I don't know why. If it's because of a traffic violation I got, that's none of his damn business. But anyhow, my name's Corey, C-O-R-E-Y. Last name Schilt, S-C-H-I-L-D-T. But I wanted to be reassured of the fact of the last communications I had with y'all's office that my request, demand, however you like to rephrase it, is that Judge Gillstrap and all affidavit signers are in the courtroom the day of court. And if Judge O'Hearn doesn't want to honor my request for a jury trial, then we have a whole new ball game.
Okay, I'm not even showing you in here. What is this for?
I delivered a FOIA to a judge, got arrested for harassment and obstruction of government operations. Isn't that a funny one?
Okay.
So they want me to take a plea. Well, the good thing is, I'm a dick. I didn't do anything wrong, and I'll be damned if I'm going to circumvent my life for my government. It's not going to happen. So if the judge refuses a jury trial, then we'll just appeal his crap right there on the face value of what it is, and we'll go to an appellate court to where there will be a jury trial. Considering the fact that the Constitution already states anything over $20, I have the right to.
Okay, when did they move it to?
March 30th. I think it's at 9:30 a.m. Hopefully they sent you all a letter to that, but it wouldn't be, how do you say, too much to see the incompetence of Crawford County. No offense to you, young lady. I'm sure you can hear in my tone where I stand. Excuse me?
I said the only thing that I'm showing them is that name is like back in December. And the speeding, it's back in 20.
Can you speak up a second? My daughter's like writing her voice on the phone. I'm sorry.
No, I was
Yeah, of last year.
Okay, so this is Judge Baker, so they're doing this as a misdemeanor?
Judge Baker recused himself. I already forced that issue.
Okay, and then, okay, wait, here we go. So then the plea and arraignment was scheduled. Mark McEwen, the jail arraignment.
Yeah, I also need copies of those videos. For some reason, I seem to be getting a runaround hassle on those jail videos. Everybody, the prosecutor, saying it doesn't pertain. Well, when you falsely arrest me and you falsely imprison me, I guess my civil rights lawsuit, deprivation of rights under color of law, 241, 242, that'd be a big old nice kiss to the grill, huh?
Okay, so then...
Yeah, for some reason, your boss, Ryan Norris, jumped in after Leslie Hott was already appointed to me, which I never got a reasoning behind that also.
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out here. That's what I'm looking at. It looks like she filed for a motion of recusal of Judge Baker, so he wouldn't be the judge anymore, which is what you're saying. And then it looks like she went back before Judge Baker. You had paid the public defender fee.
Yeah, they extorted out of me to you all. Yeah. Exactly.
And Judge Baker was approved for the order of recusal, so he wouldn't be there. The trial was canceled at that point. He was recused from the case. It was taken under advisement for 6 months. Defendant was to have no contact with the county judge and no further offenses. The case to be dismissed. And then it looks like a plea and arraignment scheduled for June 15th.
See, that part I don't understand, because I already explained to Leslie, I'm not pleading. The day that I went into court, when Judge O'Hearn appeared as special judge because Baker recused himself, Ryan had informed me that he had details worked out with the judge already, that it was going to be dismissed. I get into the courtroom. Not only are they refusing to let my wife in there, being that she's my medical provider, and the fact that I have a right to a public venue per the Constitution, which one deputy had the brains to bring my wife back in and let everybody else know to go screw themselves. But besides that point, it's still the fact that I'm not playing games with this state any longer. So we're going to go about it my way with a civil lawsuit. And whoever wants to participate in this farce, I'll name every damn name in it.
I don't know what they are doing, because back in December, there was an agreement between our office and the prosecuting attorney's office that the case was just taken under advisement for 6 months. And then if you didn't have any contact with the county judge and there was no further offenses or anything, that the case was going to be dismissed. It plainly says that right here. But then 4 days later, they're scheduling a plea and arraignment like they're starting crap all over again for June. That makes no sense. Oh, it's a review. Okay, they're just doing a review. And it has in June. It doesn't have anything in March. When did you get a letter saying that it was going to be in March?
Yeah, I have a letter from the, I think it was the 5th Judicial District Court.
Okay, yeah.
So you don't have a letter? That really frickin' disturbs me right now.
Well, this is all Leslie, so we don't get those. She gets those directly to her. She gets all of those. We deal primarily with felony stuff, so we get all the felony stuff over here.
Okay, then, well, how do I go about filing felony charges against Judge Dennis Gillstrap for false imprisonment, false arrest underneath deprivation of rights, color of law, 241, 242? Because trust me, I've been reading it, young lady.
Let me get your phone number, and I'm going to try to figure out what the crap they are trying to pull. And I'll get with Leslie and see what she has and what they're trying to do, because this makes no sense.
Right.
And then one of us will get back with you and see, because it plainly says that everything is supposed to be dismissed.
Well, yeah, exactly. There is no harassment because I delivered a FOIA to a judge, Amanda. Your name is
Right.
Amanda, right? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. I got so many government names in my head, and I'm trying to distort who to screw and who not to screw. And you, young lady, I don't want to
Right.
mess with. But the rest of the assholes, including Ryan Norris, he better get his ducks in a row and get to serving my interests, not the state's, or he going to find his ass on the end of a civil rights lawsuit also. That's happening.
Let me get your phone number and let me get with Leslie, and I'm going to see what's going on, and then either Leslie or myself will get back with you and let you know, okay?
Okay, I appreciate that. The phone number is 479
Okay.
755 3409. And if you could, I got, after all that freezing that we don't normally get, God bless you.
Right.
Yeah, you don't like the weather, give it 5 minutes. Y'all taught me that very well here in Arkansas. God bless you. But with that,